So what you want to do here is you want to navigate to your business page. And you can see I'm on Simple Marketing Academy's business page. So you are on your page, and then you're going to look over here to the left, and you're going to select Ad Center. Click on that, and then you're going to go to All Ads, and you're going to click Ads Manager. Now, once you do that, if you have ads in your account already, then you are going to see them listed here. But let's say you're just starting and you don't have any ads in here. It may prompt you to create an account if you haven't already. So I'm in the Simple Marketing Academy ads account. Now, one of the things you're going to notice is that sometimes it's going to put you in one that's named after your personal page. And you're going to be like, where are my ads? Just go up here, click on this, scroll down, and make sure you're clicking your business page ads account. Okay? Now, whoops. The next thing you're going to do here is you're going to go up here and click this green create button. That's going to bring you to a screen that is going to ask you what you want to do. What is your objective? So when you're first starting, I think the best thing you can do to start is going to be one of two things. It's going to be traffic or video views. Are these the best overall for every business? Not always, but again, we're going to make this ultra simple. So we're actually going to select the traffic as our objective. And traffic just means we want people to click the button on the ad and go to our website or go to wherever that button takes them. Okay. So once we've done that, we hit continue.